In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on loop in the video player so your video automatically plays again after it ends. If you want your video to restart on its own instead of stopping at the end, this is a quick setting you can enable right inside the player customization area. It's useful when you're sharing a short clip, a demo, a presentation video, or any content that you want viewers to keep seeing without needing to manually press play again. To get started, open the video you want to edit. Make sure you're in the correct video before changing any settings, since the loop option will apply to the specific video you have open. Once the video is on your screen, look for the Customize section. This is where you can control how the player behaves and how the viewing experience works for your audience. After you're inside Customize, go to the player settings. In this area, you'll find options related to playback behavior, including what happens when the video reaches the end. Take a moment to review the available controls so you know you're adjusting the right setting. Now find the loop option and turn it on. When loop is enabled, the player will automatically start the video over again as soon as it finishes. This creates a continuous playback experience, which can be especially helpful for videos displayed on landing pages, product showcases, event screens, or any place where repeated playback makes sense. Once you've switched loop on, don't forget to save your changes. This part is important because if you leave the page without saving, the setting may not be applied. After saving, your video player will be updated so the video plays again automatically after ending. If you want to double check that everything worked correctly, play the video through to the end and watch what happens. If loop is active, the video should restart on its own without any extra action. Testing the result is always a good final step, especially if the video is part of a public page or customer-facing experience. That's all there is to it. Open the video, go into Customize, access the player settings, turn loop on, and save. With that setting enabled, your video will keep replaying automatically, creating a smoother and more continuous viewing experience.